Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th NCERT. Number system, first chapter. So, today we will discuss about laws of exponent of real numbers. Laws of exponent and power we know in the previous classes, class 7th, 8th. Here we will study some laws of exponents. Very easy. Power and exponent. If the bases are equal, a power x into a power y, and exponents are different, then power will be added, a power x plus y. For example, 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 4. Your answer is 2 power 7. If the bases are equal, in the division, power will be subtracted. A power x divided by a power y is equal to a power x minus y. So, for example, 5 power 10 divided by 5 power 3, bases are equal, power will be subtracted, 10 minus 3, so power will be 7. If the bases are not equal, but the powers are equal, a and b different, then the both you can write in one bracket, a into b power x. Example, here bases are different but powers are equal. 2 power 5, 3 power 5 gives you 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6 power 5. Power, next rule is given, a power x whole power y. Power is on the power numbers, then both the power will be multiplied, a power xy. 3 power 5 whole power 7 gives you 3 power 5 into 7. 3 power 5 7 ja 35. You are getting 5 7 ja 35. Another rule, if the power is given in the denominator 1 upon a power x, so denominator power will go into the numerator with number, then it will be negative, a power minus x. Or a number is given power negative, you can write in the positive in the form of a fraction. Numerator will be in that, a power minus x is 1 upon a power x. For example, 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power 3. In the minus sign, you will not multiply 3 times. So 2 power minus 3 will be positive. Now 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8. You can't write 8 power minus 1. 1 upon 2 power minus 4, another. Here denominator is minus, so you can't multiply 2 in 4 times. So first you change into positive, then multiply 4 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now, any number power is 0, then answer will be 1. A power 0 is 1. Example, 35 power 0 is 1. 200 power 0 is 1. M power 0 is 1. All the, any number power will be 0, then it is, how it is 1? 9 power 7 divided by 9 power 7. When you simply divide, then it will be cancelled, your result is 1. When you apply the law of exponent, so bases are equal, power will be minus, 9 power 7 minus 7, 9 power 0, it will be 1. In the radical form, if the number is given in cube root of a power 2, cube root means previous lectures I have told you, a power 1 by 3 whole power 2. Exponent rule, 1 by 3 into 2 gives you a power 2 by 3. Like this, root a into root b. Root a means a power half, b power half, whole power cube. Both are same powers, so a into b power half, whole you can write 3. ab power half into 3 means half into 3 1 ja 3, 3 by 2. You can write whole power 3 by 2 or separate power 3 by 2. Like this, a power 3 by 2 as well as b power 3 by 2. In the some more example for this, a power 5. Square root a power 5, how will you simplify in the exponential form? It is a radical form. So root means half. Its whole power half. Power on the power means multiply 5 into half. Gives you a power 5 by 2. It is radical form, it is exponential form. Example is given, 8 power 1 by 3. How will you simplify? First 8 you write in prime factor, 2 power 3. Whole power 1 by 3. So 2 power 3 into 3 cancel. You will get 2 power 1. That is your answer 2. 81 is a prime factorization. You get the 3 power 4. Power minus 1 by 4. 4 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 into 4. 4 cancel. You get 3 power minus 1, but it is your negative answer. So you write in the rule of exponent denominator. Then the power will be positive. So any answer, any question is given. Suppose given another question is given. 2 power 2 by 3 multiply by 2 power 1 by 3. What will you get? 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 power 2 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 power 3 by 3, and your answer is 2. 5 power, any number is given, 5 power 1 by 5 upon 5 power, suppose another question, 1 by 3. Simplify, you simplify it, what will you get? 5 power, because bases are equal, your answer will be subtracted, power 5 power 5 3 the 15, LCM. In the power you keep in your mind, you write the power size is smaller than the base and exponent. So 3 minus 5, what are you getting? 5 power minus 2 by 15. It is your simplification. If you want in the positive, then you write in 1 upon power 5. Any number will be there. If the question is given 11 power 1 by 2 multiply by 12 power 1 by 2, what will you get? Both the powers are same, so you can write 11 into 12 power half. What will be the result? 12 1 ja 12, 12 1 ja 12, and 1 13. 132 power half. It is your answer. So like this you can write any number. If it is given base are equal or powers are equal, like this you can solve. Exercise 1.6. In the exercise 1.6, first question have find the value. Find this. It is given and it has 3 parts. 3 parts. One part I am telling. 1/3 part 125 power 1 by 3. 125 power 1 by 3. Other parts you write yourself. So 125 prime factorization is what? 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125. 5 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. So what will you get? 5 power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Your answer is 5. Second question you have again 4 parts. Again your question is given find. Question number 2 of 1.6. In the question number 2 of 1.6 again you will get find. So there are 4 parts given. One part is 32 power 2 by 5. 32 power 2 by 5. Second part is given 32 power 2 by 5. So 32 means it is a prime factor of 32. 2 power 5, 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the power 2 by 5. What will you get? 5 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. Your answer is 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 2 to the 4. Its last part of the second question is again given 125 power minus 1 by 3. What is given? Minus 1 by 3. 5 5 ja 25, 5 power 3 power minus 1 by 3. So 5 power 3 into minus 1 by 3. So size of the power you write in small, smaller than the base. 3 and 3 cancel. Your answer is 5 power minus 1. This is negative, so you can write 1 upon 5. In this case, last question is given. It is the third question. Simplify. Any number is 11 by 7 power 2, 7 power half, last part, 7 power half multiply by 8 power half. So 7 into 8, both have same base. What will you get? 7 8 is 56 power half. It is the last part, fourth part. Any other part, if you take same all the parts, most probably first part 2 power 2 by 3. First part is given 2 power 2 by 3 multiply by, third question first part, multiply by 2 power 1 by 5. Multiply by 2 power 1 by 5. Bases are equal, power will be added. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. What will you get? 2 power 5 3 the 15. 5 2 the 10. 3 1 the 3. 10 plus 3 in the numerator. And you will get 2 power 13 upon 15. It is your answer. So like these other parts, you can complete the exercise and the chapter. That's your chapter is over. So first question, second question, third question of 1.6 exercise. So you complete your chapter, solve all the examples and exercise with the explanation. Thanks, and we will meet in the next video for the next chapter.